Hello guys, welcome to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to turn off virus and threat protection on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to turn off or disable virus and threat protection on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Here in left section you can see here Privacy and Security. You need to click on this. Click on Windows Security. After that you can see here Virus and Threat Protection. Just click on this. Below you can see Virus and Threat Protection setting. You just need to click on Manage Setting. You can see here Real-Time Protection. It is enabled. You just toggle it to disable. After doing this, just close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can turn off virus and threat protection on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.